Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to discuss about GCP regions and zones. So we will be talking about GCP regions and zones. So what is regions and zones? So hope you will enjoy the video. Okay, let's get started on the video points. So here is today's agenda. So we will be going through all these topics. What is the regions and zone? Why we need region and zone, GCP regions and zones, which is being described on the map. So that all we will be discussing. Okay, so let's first talk about what is region and zone in Google Cloud Platform, right? So if we have a look on the regions definition, right? So it's a region is a specific geographical location, right, where we can run or host our IT resources, just like the compute instance, server, right, load balancer, persistent disk, and all that. So region is specific geographical location, just like the Asia Pacific, London region, right, US West region. So these are the specific location, right, geographical location, and that is called as a region. Second, we talk about zone. So a zone is a deployment area, right, for the highly fault tolerance, that is called as a data center, DC we can say. So it's a separate area, right, so which used for the Google Cloud resources within a region. So a data center which is located within a region, right, and that is very highly fault tolerance, which has multiple independent cluster, right, which is being used for the hosting of the resources. That is the zone and a region as a definition wise. So let's suppose this is our Google Cloud, whole Google Cloud platform, right, and in this we have regions just like the London region, US West region. So this is geographical area, specific geographical area, and within that geographical area we have a data center just like the zone A and zone B. So these are the data center which is available within a region, so that is called as a zone. So that's all about the region and zones. Let's talk about why we need region and zone in Google Cloud Platform or any cloud, any public cloud we can say. Assume your application is deployed in a data center, right, in a London region. So what would be our challenges in that case? Challenges: slow access for user from other part of the world. Let's suppose any user who is sitting in the Delhi or Mumbai, they would have a high latency and their application would have this slower access, right? Second challenge: what if data center get crashed due to any reason, just like the nature disaster, flood, or anything, right? Our application will go down, so we don't have the availability of the application. So these are the challenges for us if when we are going to deploy application in a single data center in a specific region. Let's add a more data center in London, right? So what happened now? So challenges: slow access for user from the other part of the world, just like the Mumbai and Delhi or any other part of the apart from the London, right? So challenge 1 is still there, but challenge 2 is solved, because what if our one data center get crashed, our application will be still available from the other one, right? Earlier, because these would be in a synchronization when we are deploying a multi-zonal, right, multi-zone application, so that will be in sync. So if this data center goes down, then our application will be serving from the here. Now what third challenge? What if entire region of the London is available, right? Both of our data center goes down, then the whole app would be still down. So let's add one more region. Let's suppose Delhi or anything just like the Mumbai, right, we can add. So now what would be the challenge? Challenge 1 partially solved, because the slower access for a user who is accessing their application from the Mumbai or Delhi regions, they would have the high latency and they are able to access their application very fast. But still from the other part, right, let's suppose the user from the India regions, or we can say London region, right, they are able to access their application with the high latency, right? low latency, right? So they are very fast, their application is accessing. But what, let's suppose that one of our user is accessing that application from Australia, right? So that we can solve by adding multi, or we can deploying application in multiple regions. So that would be also solved. Now challenge third, because already challenge 2 is solved by adding the one more region in the same region data center. Challenge 3 also solved. What if entire regions of the London is available, then our application would be serving from the other regions, right? So these are the we have a need, right, to have a multiple regions and zone in any public cloud. So now we talk about the GCP regions and available, right? So as we can see in this map, so these blue dotted, these are the current region with the minimum 3 zones. So these have the, let's suppose this Delhi region, right, it has the 3 zones, just like we can say Asia Pacific 1A, B, C, or in that way. So this will have the 3 data center. Mumbai region also have the 3 data center, but the dot which has the white color, right, feature region with this, and these are constantly adding more data center, and they are growing, they are expanding their network in the world, right, to avail the or the serve the better content, right? And what are the advantage of the multiple regions in zone is that the first one is high availability. If you would have the multiple regions in zone, then your application would be highly available, low latency. Global footprint, let's suppose if you are, or any startup company is going to start their company, right, and they want to serve their content or their application into other country or the any part of the world, right? They can serve in any country or the any part, right? And adherence to government regulations. Sometimes also we have to adhere to government regulations. Let's suppose that US says that US citizens data should not be stored in any other countries, right? That should be only stored in the US region only. Then what we have to deploy data, or we can sync their applications or data into that is specific. So that is the advantage of the global regions and zones. And as I said, that each region has a minimum 3 zones. So that's all about the regions and zones. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching my video. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel to get more video in such cases. Thank you for joining me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.